Today, we are making the Luke sauce, my custom spaghetti sauce. First, we'll need this, ta-da, this for later, and a whole jar. No, not again. No, we're gonna have to cut again. Mom, I opened my sauce somehow magically. Totally. Now we'll just throw this aside. Whoa! Yeah, it's fine. Sounds like people after Taco Bell. That's spaghetti sauce. Now we will need, some tomato, and how about let's put it on, we'll just put in the ingredients first. Tomato, onion, I cut these, and how about some oregano, and some basil. Out of those way. How about a couple bay leaves? That's better. Oops. That's better. Oh. Okay. Now, how about let's put it up to 5. Middle temperature. 6. No, 7. Yeah, perfect. How about, just 6. Yeah. And we mix. So with this. This is going to taste so good. Anyways. Wow. What do you expect a little child to be a YouTuber? Wouldn't expect that, huh? Just as Sonic says. Sega! Poor mommy. A little dash of this. Wonder why we're still recording. Oh, sorry. We forgot a little bit of garlic sauce. A little hint of that. A little dash of this. Okay, we're gonna put in the salt and the pepper. Wonder why the pepper looks like this? Because, you see, this is modern. But baby boomers don't know what modern is. But maybe they do. I don't really know. So we're going to put in, I'm too kiddish for baby boomers. Little dash of this. A little dash of... Anyways. Excuse me. Oh. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now, we will show you the next ingredient. There is no final ingredient, so we're gonna put it on some spaghetti. Yeah, that's gonna make it taste way better. I don't think you should cook this cursed recipe. Anyway, so now we got the spaghetti, which took a while. And now we will put our desired spaghetti sauce on it. Just a little. You know, not one too much. Now, let's see what we got here. I have table manners. You know that. Spaghetti! Cheers! Oh, it's a little hot. This is awkward. We'll just wait it out then. So, it's cool now. We better finish this video up. Okay. What's my table manners? Ew. Tomato. Pretty good. Best thing I've ever had. Seriously. Cook the concoction. It's worth it. Cook it. Cook it. I was wrong. Best thing ever in my life. Can't eat it all. Best thing ever. You should try this. The recipe will be here soon. Oh, look who's here. It's the cute Oreo. Look who's here. What do you have today? Oh, you have something? Huh? Huh? Sniffing? Is that all you guys say? He said, bye. Remember to like and subscribe, or else I will eat you in your sleep.